Hi guys, this is Shreya. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, as you must have seen from the topic itself, today's video is all about a DIY face pack. Yes guys, today I'm going to do a DIY face pack, and this face pack consists of only two things guys, and these two things are: first is the sandalwood powder, that is chandan ka powder that we all know, and the second is rose water yani ki gulab gel. So guys, these are the only two ingredients needed for this DIY face pack. And the basic reason for doing this DIY face pack is that guys, as we all know, it's winter going on, so our skin becomes dry naturally, or some or the other way it tends to be dry. And in the form of being dry, or in the whole process of being drying out, we just tend to get rid of our natural glow, our natural oil, and our natural nourishment that is in our skin. So guys, in order to get back that natural glow and natural enhancement of our skin, we have to do something or the other for our skin. But guys, always try to use natural products, always try to do DIYs for your skin, for your face, so that you are just ignoring chemicals, you're just ignoring all the harsh products that some way or the other can just be good for your skin for instance, but they are never good for long run guys. So I hope I'm not boring you for this intro, but let's just start the DIY guys. Let's just see how to do this DIY. So guys, the products which I'm using over here, as mentioned below, I'm only using two products. The first is sandalwood powder guys, and the one which I'm using is the Ozone Sandal face pack, and this is skin lightening and radiance face powder. And the amount of this is guys only for rupees 25. As you can see guys, this is for only rupees 25. And the next ingredient which I'm going to use over here is a rose water, and this gulab gel is from Patanjali guys, and the amount of this is rupees 28. So guys, this is the cheapest face pack you can do at home. You can just rejuvenate your skin in every possible way, in the cheapest form, in all the natural way. So guys, let's just start our skin DIY, and let's just begin with our skin face. So guys, we are just going to cut out this face pack which I'm having over here, and we have to not take a whole lot amount of the face pack, which we just have to take. And yeah guys, one more thing I want to mention guys is that don't forget to tie back your hairs before you apply any face pack, because you have to apply the face pack all over your forehead till the line of your till the hairline doesn't start. So वहाँ तक आपको अपने face pack पूरा लगाना होता है. And one more thing guys, never forget your neck while applying any or the other face pack. Your neck is even the part of your face itself, and it shall always be a point to note out that your even tone of your face shall always be similar to that of your neck. So never forget your neck while applying any or the other DIY guys. So as you can see guys, I'm taking a 1 full teaspoon of the sandalwood powder. Okay guys, if you're having a face little bit larger than mine, then you can take according to your face size and according to your skin texture. It may be that few people are having extremely dry skin, so they need to apply a very thick paste, so they can take a little more amount. So as you can see guys, I have taken this much of 1 full tablespoon of this sandalwood powder. Now the next ingredient, that is our rose water. Rose water shall be only that much which is required in order to make a paste. So I'm going to add on the rose water guys. Okay, here I'm adding the rose water. We only need to put on the rose water as much as is required in order to make a thick paste. Fine guys, as you can see, we'll mix it well until unless we get a nice consistency paste that can be applied evenly all over our skin. It shall not be very thin, it should not be like a very liquid consistency, so that it should not just come out like that. It shall not be even very much thick, and it shall be like fine stable for our skin in order to apply properly. Okay guys, so guys, here I have made a very thick consistency paste. Not that thick, I mean the thick which can be applicable all over my face very evenly. Okay guys, and one more thing guys, always remember that before applying any or the other face pack, or before doing any face DIY, you need to wash your face with the normal water, or you can even wash your face with face wash if your skin is too oily and you have been exposed to dirt or oil just before applying your face pack. So as you can see guys, all over here my skin is right now completely clean. It's not having any cream, no products, nothing. It's completely natural. So this paste I'm just going to apply all over my face and even on my neck, and just tie back your hair so that you don't mess it up along with your hair. And just take a flat brush that we commonly called as a foundation brush, I think. So just take this brush and take, yeah guys, one more thing I want to mention before applying this face pack is that guys, do not do not ever talk, laugh, or do any facial exercise. I mean facial exercise, not that facial exercise kind of. I mean, don't do any facial activity after you apply your face pack. Whenever you apply your face pack, after applying complete face pack, never talk, never laugh, never do any or the other एक्सप्रेशनल थिंग फ्रॉम योर फेस. बिकॉज जब आप फेस पैक लगाते हैं उसके बाद आप बोलते हैं, हंसते हैं, कुछ भी करते हैं, तो ऐसे में आपको भले ही फेस पैक से फायदा हो या ना हो, मगर एक बहुत भारी नुकसान होता है. वो ये होता है कि अगर आप फेस पैक लगा के आप बोलते हैं, हंसते हैं, कोई भी फेशियल एक्सरसाइज करते हैं, तो उससे आपके स्किन में रिंकल्स बहुत जल्दी पड़ते हैं. तो कभी कोई फेस पैक लगाते वक्त बोले ना. फेस पैक लगाने के बाद बिल्कुल चुप रहे, 15 मिनट 20 मिनट, जितना टाइम आपके उस फेस पैक को सूखने में या उस फेस पैक को पूरा होने में लगता है, उतने टाइम आपको बिल्कुल शांत रहना है और चुप रहना है गाइज. ओके गाइज, सो गाइज, while I'll apply this face pack, after I apply this face pack, I'll just going to tell you all the benefits of sandalwood and rose water, that why we are applying this face pack, what is the major reason behind applying this face pack during winter, what are the benefits, uses and all that. So just apply this quietly guys. So let's begin applying this face pack guys. Start from your cheeks itself and always apply the face pack with upstroke. Never do it like this, because if you tend to do a stroke like this, then your skin or your face, what it tends to be, your facial skin just tends to pull down, and the wrinkles and all aging signs just tends to accumulate over your face very fast guys. So just do like this, and always remember guys, do not apply any face pack or any DIY just over your eyes or over your eyelids. Just leave the area of your eye, and here you can just put it like this over your nose, like this, covering complete nose. Avoid contact with your eyes always guys. Never put on any or the other face pack, any DIY over your eyes, never ever, because you don't know what can be harmful for your eyes, because they are the very sensitive part of your face. So don't expose anything over them. The reason behind using a brush is that guys, when you use a brush, you're always being able to just apply it evenly, uniformly over your face, and you can even put it on the like this places or these areas where fingers are not being able to put on it nicely. Sorry guys, sorry children, if any of the child is watching this video, if I seem to be scary, then I'm really sorry. So as I've applied it all over my face, so now I'm not going to talk. I just be quiet after I've applied it. Okay guys, remember this. Now I'm going to apply it all over my neck. Okay. So guys, talking about the ingredients that we have used in this face pack are the only two very natural ingredients. The first one, that is the rose water guys. It has great anti-inflammatory property that can reduce your redness of the irritated skin, that is the common thing during winters. Second of all, you can also get rid of acne and pimples because of the rose water, as it is a great cleanser. It removes the dirt and oil that are clogged in the deep down pores of your skin that creates any or the other acne or pimples. Okay, guys. And guys, remember one thing: after applying it evenly all over your neck, what you need to do is that you need to check where your skin has pimples and scars. As I'm having pimple and scar over there on my face, so I'm going to apply a quite thick layer of paste over here wherever I have any or the other kind of skin problem, any or the other skin irritation or something. You can also do this, guys. Now, guys, talking about the second ingredient, that is sandalwood. It has antibacterial property that help in fighting acne causing bacteria. It exfoliates the skin, soothes the sunburn, and remove suntan. Also remove the sign of aging such as dry skin and wrinkles. Okay, guys, so these two ingredients are supernatural and very beneficial for your skin. They're going to treat, heal, repair your skin in every possible way. Now, guys, after applying this evenly all over your face, remove it after 20 minutes. Just keep. So, guys, it's been 20 minutes now, and you can clearly see that I have washed my face. And guys, always do remember that only use the normal running tap water for washing your face after doing any DIY on your face. Don't use any cold water, don't use any warm water, just go for the normal tap running water. So, guys, as you can clearly see, I have washed my face, and it's looking like more supple, more clear, and completely free from all the excess oil and everything. So, guys, I hope this video is helpful for you. And if this video was anyhow helpful for you, don't forget to like this video, share this video, and comment down below. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, guys, then please subscribe to my channel. Till the time I don't upload the next video, take care, guys. Stay fit, stay young, stay healthy. Bye bye, guys.